Immediately I see this pattern, immediately I see this pattern, enter a trade again. You understand? Although today is Friday, I won't stay this trade for long, but
good day YouTube, good day my subscriber, good day everyone. In today's video, I want us to go straight to the chart and do a simple technical analysis on Euro USD and maybe GBP USD. And you know my favorite pair is Euro USD and GBP USD. And before I forget, there is a trade I take on Euro USD yesterday. Is this morning that the trade hit TP. So and there's a pattern Euro USD formed there, and I want to analyze the pattern so that maybe whenever you come across such pattern on your charts, you won't be confused and you know a simple way to analyze it and how to take the trade. And I think that will be all. So stick around, let's go straight to the chart and analyze it together, then we'll learn together. And you have any question, just drop it on the comment section. I'll go through and reply everyone. So now let's go straight to the chart and analyze it together.
Here is on our screen, and I think this is 15-minute time frame. Before I proceed, this was the trade I caught yesterday on Euro USD. Let me zoom it out. This was the trade I take yesterday on Euro USD. I will overlay it for you guys, and so that you guys will see it very clear. I think I risked 20 pips to get 40 pips, and it's today that the trade hit TP. And immediately I see this pattern, immediately I see this pattern, enter a trade again. You understand? Although today is Friday, I won't stay this trade for long, but I want to analyze it so that whenever you see this type of pattern on your chart, you know what to do about it. You know how to approach it and how to do your simple technical analysis. So now I'm going to wipe everything out. I'm going to clear everything now, then we'll start a fresh analysis. Okay, so now I've wiped everything out, and this is 15-minute time frame. Now I'll switch to 4-hour time frame, because I do my, like, if I want to take a trade, actually I do my analysis from 4 hours to 1 hour, from 1 hour to 30 minutes, then use 15 minutes to take my trade, sometimes 30 minutes actually. So now this is 4-hour time frame, and let me show you the reason and how I get an entry yesterday. So if you plot your trend line from this region, if you plot your trend line like this, you can see that the market break this trend line. It break this trend line, then come down to retest this trend line. And not only the trend line the market break and retest that make me to enter. This is a support level also. This is a support level also. And immediately I spot this on a 4-hour time frame, I switch to 15-minute time frame to look for my pattern to form. And immediately as I switch to 15-minute time frame, the market was at this area at that time, and I see the market come down to touch this support level and the trend line. Then I wait for the market to form something like a W pattern, like double bottom, so that I'll enter for a buy, because I know whenever market comes to a support level and a trend line like this, it will form a W pattern, then move up straight. But what Euro USD do yesterday, although he respects the strategy, he respects what I expect, but the consolidation was much. Like, I can't even wait again till this morning before he hit my take profit, and I thank God. So, and again I switch to 4-hour time frame. After I check and he hit my take profit, I check 4-hour time frame. I see this double top here, and immediately if you see double top, what comes to your mind? If you see double top, what comes to your mind means the market is about to retreat back. And there is a support level here, and there's something I want us to do. We'll switch to 1-hour time frame, then mark out a point of interest. You understand? A point of interest, like where a market can possibly react from. Here is a major support level, the first support level that the market will react from. You understand? Then another support level is around here. Let me mark out all the support level where the market will react from. Another support level is around here. Then there is another one again down. There's another support level down here that the market might come down to respect. So this is how I do my own simple technical analysis. If I come on my screen and I see anything if I see anything like this, what I'll first of all do is to mark out my point of interest, like where the market will possibly react from. Then I'll be waiting patiently, because you all know patience is the name of the game that we are in. So I'll be waiting patiently for the market to come to the support level, then give me a W pattern from 15-minute time frame. Immediately if I see a W pattern from this area, like as it's coming like this, if I see a W pattern, because if I see a W pattern like this, immediately it touch here, I'll enter for a buy. And if I enter a buy here, I'll put my, if I enter a buy around that, if I enter a buy from the bottom here, like from the double bottom here, I'll put my stop loss below the support level. Then my take profit will be maybe 1 to 2. You understand? Like as the stop loss is 21 pip, I'll be maybe targeting 42 pip. You get? I'll be targeting 42 pip. Then hold. If the market let it stop me out and maybe go to another support level. If it enter another support level again, I will wait for my strategy to play out. And immediately play out, I will still enter again. And that's how I do my own simple technical analysis. And the reason why I take a sell from this area, the reason why I take a sell from this double top, because we call this one double top, not double bottom. When it happens from a downtrend, we call it a double. Like when it happens from a support level, we call it a double bottom, and when it happens from a resistance level, we call it a double top. So this is a double top here, and I take a sell. Immediately I see this spike on 1 hour time frame, and I see an end pattern on 4 hour time frame. I take a sell from this area, and I'll put a screenshot. I will overlay it for you guys to see where I take the sell from. And I'm expecting the market to reach this support level, possibly this end pattern that I'm seeing from 4 hour time frame might go below the support level, but my first take profit will be on this first support level. Then my second take profit will be at this second support level. Then so that's just how I do my own simple technical analysis. I don't know how you do yours, but it always works for me. Maybe out of 10, 6, 7 works out of it, and that's how it goes. And again, what again am I trying to say? I don't want the video to be long, and again, if the market come to this support level and give us a W pattern, just as it give us here, just as it give us around this area, let me mark it out. Just as it give us around this area, just as it give us around this horizontal horizontal box here, just as it give us there, once it comes to this support level and give us a W pattern, I'll just, if I switch to 15-minute time frame now, you see that is a clear W pattern. This is a W pattern, the reason why I entered the trade. So if you come to the support level and give us a W pattern like this, I will still enter and maybe target the next the next high. So that will be all. And I just want you guys to be making your analysis very, very simple like this. Don't complicate things for yourself and say forex is hard. Although forex is hard actually, but once you know how to do your simple technical analysis, it won't be hard for you. And what again that will make you profitable in the forex market is patience. You understand? Try to learn, discipline yourself to be patient enough for your strategy to play out before you take a trade. Don't be jumping here and there. If what you are looking for in the market did not play out, please hold on. Even if it takes 1 week, 2 weeks before it play out, hold on till it play out before you take it through. And if you can discipline yourself enough to be holding on, like to be patient enough like that, you see that out of 10 of your trades, 7 or 8 must be profitable. 7 or 8 must be profitable if you are disciplined enough not to take anyhow trade. You get? So I'm going to overlay everything for you guys to see how my trade went this week and what I'm expecting again next week. Because if the market come to this support level and give me because the market will soon close, because today is Friday actually, and if it comes to this support level and give me a W pattern, I'll still enter for a buy. Because if you go to daily time frame now, let me remove all this drawing now. If you go to daily time frame, is like you cannot be 100% sure of anything in this forex market. The market is on this resistance level, this minor resistance level, and immediately we break this resistance level means the downtrend is over. It be that immediately we break this resistance level, immediately we break as it's coming like this. Let me use this. As the market come like this is an impulsive move to the downside. A little retreat. This is the last higher low, then lower low, then come up here. This is the resistance level that is holding the market now. So maybe come to this area, then if it dare break above, this resistance level, then maybe retest the resistance level, make it a support level, then move to the next resistance level. So don't be like, maybe you don't know what the market will do from this area, so just be very, very patient and be careful, and make sure you wait for your strategy to play out before you take a trade. And I think that will be everything I will need to tell you. So that's how the week goes, I think. Yes, and on Monday I think I make a video about the gap the market created on Monday, and you all see how it's play out and everything. So if you have not watched that video, go back and watch the video. This particular gap here, I made a video about it on how to trade it, this type of gap. If the market gives you a gap like this, if a market open and gives you a gap like this, how to trade it. I made a video about it. I think if you have not watched it, just go back and watch the video so that you learn 1 or 2 things from inside. So I think that will be all for now, and maybe see you in my next video. Bye for now.